Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to make Ramzan Nonbu Kanji or the Nonbu Kanji, however you may call it. This is a famous South Indian porridge which is prepared during the month of Ramadan for ifthar in all the mosques across Tamil Nadu and distributed to the nearby houses. It's either made with chicken or mutton, but today I'm going to show you a vegetarian version of this. This is made with moong dal and broken jeeraga samba rice, but for the people who are dieting, there's a small tip. You can replace the rice with any kinds of millets of your choice and include in your diet. This is 100% fat-free, gluten-free, which by itself makes a wholesome meal. So let's get started. For the porridge recipe, I've taken the measurements using a tea glass, which is sufficient for me for 2 people. 1/4 glass of moong dal and 3/4 glass of broken jeeraga samba rice. So in whichever cup you take, the ratio is 3/4 cup of rice and 1/4 cup of moong dal. Add both to a bowl, add water and let it soak for about 3 hours. Now for the vada, I've taken just 1 handful of the dal and soaking it in water for 3 hours. This is a special kind of dal that is used to make vadas. It's called as the peas dal. I'm soaking it for 3 hours. After 3 hours, our dal has bloomed up and turned larger in size. Run it through a strainer and strain it for more than 10 to 15 minutes until it's completely dry. There should be no water while grinding it. See what all we need for the porridge. Half a slice of 1 big onion, 4 green chilies, half a slice of tomato, half inch cinnamon, 2 cloves, 1 cardamom pods, half teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder and a pinch of garam masala. A tablespoon of mint leaves and a tablespoon of coriander leaves. Now for the dal vada, you'll need half a slice of 1 big onion, 3 green chilies, 1 inch ginger piece, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of chili powder and some finely chopped curry leaves. Let's start making the porridge. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add in the spices along with the green chilies and close the lid. Once you hear the bursting sound of the green chilies and the spices, open the lid and add the sliced onions. All these measurements I have taken only for 2 people. If you want to make for more people, you can increase the amount of the ingredients. Add half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Give a good mix. Now add in the chopped tomatoes and the leaves, mint leaves and the coriander leaves. Now add in coriander powder, turmeric powder, chili powder and garam masala. Do not add more than the measured amount because it will be too much of it. This itself will give a good taste to the porridge. Meanwhile, strain off the water from the soaked rice and add into the masala. There is no particular amount for adding water to cook the rice because we are going to make it into a porridge. So for 1 glass of rice that I have taken 4 glasses of water. Cook in medium flame for 15 minutes. Let it get cooked. In the meantime, we'll prepare our vada. For the vada, I've chopped in the onions, green chilies and ginger and kept it aside. Now let's grind our dal. Take it into a mixer jar. Do not grind it into a smooth paste. Just give 2 or 3 pulses and our dal will be ready. After 1 or 2 pulses, I'll show you how the texture looked. It looked like this, but this is not ready. Give 2 or 3 pulses extra and we have got this kind of texture. Now take this into a bowl and add in onions, green chilies and ginger. Add fennel seeds, chili powder and chopped curry leaves. Add enough amount of salt and give a good mix. Do not keep this mixture for more than 10 minutes because water from the onions will come out and it will turn the mixture soggy. So once you have mixed it, immediately fry it. Make small balls and flatten it using your palm. Meanwhile, heat the oil on medium flame. Now our vadas are ready to fry. Always cook your vadas on medium to low flame on both the sides, only then you will get a very crispy vada. Meanwhile, we'll go and check our porridge. Our porridge has really come out well. It has cooked really well. We haven't added any salt because the moong dal will not get cooked if we add salt. So now we'll add little water and salt and bring it to a boil. Our porridge and vadas are ready. This is a great combination to have it together. Please do give it a try and comment below. Hope you all like the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye until I meet you in my next video.